In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money online with this great method that you can sell digital products and make a lot of money. Just look at this person. My Life Plans is actually an Etsy shop and was actually making $367,000. By also selling about 123,000 items. This person is actually selling digital products on Etsy. And also we've got another shop on Etsy who's already made $852,000, almost $1 million. And he's actually have 37,000 items sold through the digital download. The people just go to this shop and buy items and download easily without delivery of any products. What we are going to make in this video is meal planner and grocery list. It's a very great digital product that there is a high demand for it right now. As you can see, let's go actually to this store here, which you can see here. This store which I showed you, My Life Plans, which is making a lot of money as I showed to you. This actually store is actually selling this one, which is almost $2. And as you can see, it's in demand and 4 people already bought it in the last 24 hours. So it means that there is a very likely that you can actually succeed in this niche. It's not really something difficult to make. As you can see here, it's a very simple meal plan with the meals, the days of the week, and the grocery list, notes, and the date. It's not something really complicated. Also, this one, Amber Davenport UK, which I showed you, that is almost made $1 million. And as you can see, it's a great actually design here, and it's almost $16, The way we are going to do that is to go to canva.com. All right, if you go to Canva here and search for meal planner, and you can see that there are a lot of free designs given to you, and some of them are actually paid versions, so we're not going to use them. But there are some of them which are free. For example, look at this one that is here, which is free, weekly plan, meal plan. And just look at this design and look at that design here from the Etsy shop. Do you see any similarities? They are exactly the same. So it shows that this person that is selling very well on Etsy downloaded this template from Canva and just put it on the Etsy shop. It's that simple. And also what we can do in order to not just make the copy like this person who did this, we can actually come to Canva and say customize this template. So I just customize this template here. And here, what you can do is just go to this section. For example, I can change the color here. I go here to color and change it, for example, to something like yellow. Okay, and I change the font, and I can also change the font here. Just go and choose Canva here. I choose all of these and go here and choose yellow color. And also this one, I change it to yellow. Change this font as well. Okay. All right. Now we have a great new one that you can use in your Etsy shop. It's completely, the colors are completely different. And then you have your new one. You can start and selling as the guy is selling here on this shop. This person hasn't made any difference. Just copied this and making money here. So what we can do also is that we go to Canva here and try other meal plans here that have not been used in Etsy shop yet. For example, we can go to this one and customize this, by changing the colors here. Just go here and change it to something like green. I think it looks really good. We can change it to something like a gradient, we can have it like a gradient here. I think it looks really good. Yeah. So you can play around that and just make this change here and also change the font here. Another good example we can use is this one, for example. As you can see, this meal planner is really nice. So I just go customize this one here. And I think we can change this one, which is not really good, with another font here, like meal planner here, or this one. Okay, and then what we can do is just to change the colors, make it look really different. Something similar to this, to to make it really look good and different. That the point is that you make something distinct, something not similar to the other products that's already been made, in order to stand out from the rest. So this is the way we can actually start making new designs and start selling on Etsy. Another digital product we can create is an ADHD planner. ADHD planner is really great for those with ADHD problem, and it can help them a lot, and it's really in demand also in Etsy. We can go here to Etsy shop here and see that there are so many Etsy planners being sold here. For example, look at this one, ADHD planner here, and it's actually as a bestseller, and it's almost $2. And this person, if you want to see how much he's making, for example, if you say here Planner Gate, if you copy this name and go to Allura here, and I just research the shop and I put the name here, so we can see here that this shop Planner Gate has already made $113,000 by actually selling digital products. You can see here 28,000 sales. That is really great. And also we can go to this one here, ADHD planner, digital ADHD planner, actually $1. And here the shop is PlanRight Co. Here PlanRight Co. If you just copy this one also and go to Allura and just put it here, we can see that this shop is also making a lot of money, like $100K. We can see that $100,000 this shop has made so far. Okay, for ADHD planner, in order to have some templates, if you go and search on Canva, you're not going to see any ADHD planner for free here. So what I do is that I go to this website Pinterest here and search for ADHD, or we can say free ADHD planner. Okay, and you can see that there are a lot of actually ADHD planners coming up here that you can easily download and use in your Etsy shop. For example, here it says free ADHD planner, and you can easily go here to this website and download it from here. So as you can see, I clicked the link from that website, and now here I come to this page, which is a daily planner, which is designed for ADHD, and you can easily download this or use it in your Etsy shop, And another thing is that we can go back to other designs here, for example, free ADHD planner here, and we can easily go and download this one and have this daily plan to use. For example, look at this one, free printable ADHD daily planner. So I just click this one, and here I go download now. That's it. So this is the way you can actually start your Etsy shop and start making money by selling these digital planners. I hope you really enjoyed this video, and if you did, please go ahead and like this video. And until next one, have a good time. Take care.